I'm gonna make some Toto. My daughter loves it and she asked me to make some. So that's what I'm making. Um, Ingredients are flour, sugar, evap milk if you have it, or you could substitute that with milk powder. 2 cups of coconut, eggs, baking powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar, butter, salt. Well, it's just, yeah, sugar. I mentioned sugar before. Little salt, and if you have coconut milk, I'm adding some coconut milk in this. Because I don't think, I do have coconut, but I don't think I'll get enough liquid from the coconut. So I'm adding some coconut milk. Alright, so I'm gonna, you'll watch the procedure and see what I'm doing. Melted butter also. See, I have some melted butter here. It was in the microwave. I'm gonna just took it out. So we continue. First thing I'm doing is beating the eggs. Just give them a mix and get them together so they're not separated. You don't need to have them, don't go crazy. Just give them a good mix. Okay, because they're going into the just put in the tin of coconut milk. I'm gonna scrape out whatever is left in there. And this is 1 cup of milk powder. Now, if I had evaporated milk, I would use it, but I don't have any, so I'm using that. I'm gonna put in a little vanilla to taste. Right, I'm gonna put in all the liquid, and this is the 3 eggs. I'm putting that in also. I'm gonna put everything to stir and let everything. Oh, and this is about 3/4 stick of butter. Putting all of those in. I melted it. Okay, and I'm gonna put it I'm gonna stir them, mix them together. I'm adding 1.5 cup of brown sugar. I'm not using the white sugar, I'm using brown sugar. Okay, 1.5 cup, and we're gonna stir again. Okay? Putting in a teaspoon of salt, and I grate about a teaspoon of nutmeg, cinnamon, just putting some. I'm not measuring that. Okay? Alright. We're gonna mix again. At this time, when I have all the liquids added, I always give it a taste. I want to see how the liquid tastes, then I'll know if it needs anything. Yeah, it's not too sweet. It's just right. So now we're gonna add the flour and baking powder, and then the coconut. So I added 1 cup already, but in the other cup I'm putting 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 3. Okay? Alright. I'm gonna stir it. It turns out that I made exactly 2 cups of coconut in the food processor. I have 1 coconut, and it turns out to be 2 cups. So that's going in, and that's the last thing going in. And then we'll stir. The coconut actually has like little chunks in it. I mean, some of them, it's not really fine. Some are fine. I kind of like that when I'm eating. I have these little pieces of thing that I'm biting into. Maybe you don't like that, so make sure you blend it out, finer. And we're gonna put this to bake, and we'll see how it comes out. Then I'll have my Toto. just want to give it a taste. Well, we've been eating it, but I want to taste it. I want to let you know, talk to you. It's moist. It smells so good because of all that vanilla and the spices I put in it. And let's put a little icing on top. It's just right. It's just right. I can taste a little pieces of coconut in it, which is what I like. I know some people might not like that, but I like when I meet upon a little piece and I hesitate and chew that and continue. Yeah. So that's the recipe. Okay. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your views and likes. Thanks. That's good.